What's going down, y'all? It's been a minute since I made a video, and I just wanted to chime in real quick, talk to you guys just for a quick moment. Like I said in my previous video, you probably wouldn't see too much of me here over the next few weeks, just because I've just been crazy busy working and studying for some upcoming certifications that I have to pass here and get done through August. And so I really haven't been doing much car stuff, y'all. Just been grinding, working. I haven't had a day off work in 12, 14 days or something like that. So just actually finishing up with a work function right now. So tomorrow will actually be the first day I've had off in a while. And in the midst of that, I've just been just studying for the certification, and just got to pass that, and then I'll be able to get into some more car stuff. But I am actually going to a car event here soon called Hot August Nights in Reno. We're actually going to leave in about a week and a half, so that'll be a nice little short, long weekend road trip. I'm actually going to drive the Caprice there, so that'll be cool, and go to that. So really excited about that. This year they actually opened up, sorry, I got cars going by if you can hear that, but they actually opened up the years to 78. They used to only be 76 and older for quite some time. But this year I had just had randomly looked because I was interested in going, and I seen that they opened it up to 1978 and older models now. So that's pretty dope. So I was like, man, I'm taking the Caprice, let's roll. So I'm going to be doing that. So I'll probably have a video or two on my trip there, or several at least. If you don't know what that is, research it. It's probably one of the biggest, if not the biggest, car event west of the Mississippi. It's huge. It's huge. Like 6,000 to 7,000 participants, and probably bring in over about 1 million people just over the course of time there. So but that's pretty much it, y'all. I ain't really doing much else. Just been steady grinding, but after I get done with this certification, you'll be seeing me more. So anyways, I'm still on YouTube. I still keep tabs on everybody. I still comment on videos and stuff here and there. I'm just not really making as much content recently as I will be here in the upcoming future. After I get done with the certification, then I'm going to start on the Chevelle and drop the motor in and all that stuff. So stay tuned for more, y'all. And I got to get wrapped up now, finishing up this event, closing down shop, and then I'll holla at y'all later. All right. Peace, y'all. Stay up. Many blessings. And we'll holla at y'all later. Deuces.